Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to generate images in Perplexity AI. First of all, open Perplexity AI website and sign in with your account. You will see an option called Ask Anything to AI. So you can type anything just like Google search. For example, I will type a family on a boat. I will hit enter. So it has provided me some sources, some answers. The answer is based upon and generated by the AI, the Perplexity AI itself. And you can also see some of the images here. These images are not generated by AI. These are just stock footages. You can use them. But if you want Perplexity AI to generate AI images for you based on what you have typed in the search, you can also do that by just clicking on generate image. Once you click on it, as you can see, I have a free version. In the free version, the users will not be able to create images. So if you have a paid subscription of $20, you will be able to create images or generate AI images with the help of Perplexity AI search engine. So if you click on continue with Pro, you have to give some information about your card and your payment information. And after that, once you click on this generate image button, you will be easily able to generate images in Perplexity AI. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.